Hi there guys, Andrew Carr here, just shooting a quick video just to remind members. One or two members called me and said they don't believe I'm giving away a complimentary vacation. I explained it to them what I'm giving away. Yes, it's a complimentary vacation. All you need to do is pay the local hotel government and hotel taxes per night. That's all you need to pay. But apart from that, it's yours, it's complimentary. These vacations are worldwide as well, all over America, all over Canada, all over Europe, you know, in France, Las Vegas, Hawaii, Cancun. Just, I mean, there's a list, there's a plethora of hotels to go and enjoy yourself. When you join, I'll give you a shout out and you can choose whichever one you would want to go to. But guys, it's complimentary, it's completely free. You don't pay nothing apart from the local hotel taxes, and some of these hotels are $200 a night stay. 4 and 5 star lottery, that's what you'll be staying in. Just want to shout out and say you get in the funnel hack as well at www.myfunnelhack.com, which will show you how to get your members. As soon as you get 2 members, it's completely free. TCP is $50 a month, 25 to the company, 25 to yourself. As soon as you get a member, and my funnel hack, you should be able to get 2 members, a piece of cake. So yep, you're getting a complimentary vacation that's completely free. So I've emailed that member and I've showed them where they can go. They're going to get back to me Tuesday where they want to go. So any more questions, just get in contact with me. My contact details are on the website. Okay, Andrew Carr signing out. Bye bye.